Severe thunderstorm threat for this evening. Thunderstorms look to make their way into Dakota territory around dinner time tonight. These storms could have large hail and damaging winds with them. Lows look to fall into the 50s and 60s tonight. Main threat is strong straight-line winds. Smaller threat of large hail. An isolated tornado can't be ruled out. Thunderstorms are expected to form late this afternoon and evening over the eastern Dakotas and Minnesota, then slide southeast into southern Wisconsin during the overnight hours. Scattered storms may develop sometime after 2 a.m. Then a line of thunderstorms is expected to move southeast across southern Wisconsin. Additional severe thunderstorms are possible. The early morning leftover thunderstorms went across the northern half of Minnesota, just brushing St. Cloud with a midday shower. In the afternoon, new storms blew up along a Fargo Park Rapids line, but they moved west-northwest to east-southeast. Only Brush Lake, Mille Lacs and northeastern Minnesota. Those storms across northern Minnesota produced large hail and wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. Rainfall included 1.05 inch in Aiken, 0.62 inch in Detroit Lakes, 0.59 inch in Park Rapids, and 0.45 inch in Brainerd. In St. Cloud, we had a few minutes of large drops around noon and a brief shower at 3 to 4 p.m. We remained in the clouds, however, so the oppressively humid air were only accompanied by a high of 80 degrees. In places like Redwood Falls, there was enough sunshine to push the high to 93 degrees, shoving the heat index as high as 100 to 105 in southwestern Minnesota and the Minnesota River Valley. The main upper-level low-pressure system moved across Montana overnight, shoving the weak low across central Minnesota. Since the low is weak, the light northwest winds on its western side have only slightly lowered the dew points to the merely uncomfortable middle 60s in west-central Minnesota. Where the light west winds haven't arrived, there has been some dense fog during the early morning hours in places like St. Cloud, Little Falls, and Mora. The upper-level low is also associated with a cold pocket of air aloft. Usually the cold air aloft and leftover warm and moist air near the ground has the best shot of developing showers and thunderstorms during the day, when the warming ground creates the biggest temperature difference. In this case, the low-level air has been warm and sticky enough to keep storms going over the central Dakotas early this morning. Those storms are headed eastward and more will blossom by late morning, so we actually have a better shot at rainfall this morning through midday than we did yesterday across the parts of central Minnesota that mainly missed yesterday's rain. The upper level will push into Wisconsin and upper Michigan by late afternoon, so there will be a better chance for sunny periods in the middle and late afternoon. The west-northwest winds will increase to 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts over 35 miles per hour, so the much drier air in the western Dakotas and Saskatchewan will move in during the afternoon. Highs today will be around 80, but the humidity will be much lower this afternoon than yesterday.